Here we are at Dunure Castle, the ancestral home of the Earls of Cassilis, and it's famous for one main thing, which was the roasting of a dignitary way back in 1570. The Earl of Cassilis wanted to make sure that his cousin, who was the abbot of Crossgwell Abbey, got his fair share of land, and this dignitary guy wanted to take all of the land. To persuade him otherwise, the Earl of Cassilis here roasted him, roasted his feet and body until he signed over the land back to his cousin, the abbot of Crossgwell Abbey. It's said that the fella never walked again, but it didn't kill him. He came to an amicable agreement where he was given enough money so he'd have a comfortable retirement, even if he could never walk again. Intrepid Scot. Amazing views. And this thing here is a ducat or dovecot. Well, the people a few hundred years ago would have got a lot of the protein, maybe their eggs as well, from the pigeons. So they were encouraged. Well, there's still pigeons in here. I don't care. One of us. No, I was going to you. I was going to catch you going through. It doesn't matter. I'll catch you coming through. Now and again I've pressed the button the wrong number of times and I end up taking a single shot, walking along for 5 minutes thinking I'm videoing something, and then finishing off by taking another single shot.
Sometimes I've gone back to where I did my videos because I didn't like a certain shot, so I go back and
Oh, it's a real professional.
I just know, you know what, I didn't like that, so...
Aye, good. And that's Heads of Ayr, that big rocky outcrop. And Ayr is the other side of the Heads of Ayr.